Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we will need to add our screen recording toggle to our control center, and we do that by navigating into the settings and then selecting control center. And here you want to scroll down. Now I already have it added, so I'm gonna remove it just so we can have basically the most similar experience. So you want to scroll down here, and you will find screen recording somewhere down here. And all you need to do is press on the plus button. It will get added to your control center, and you can just close the settings, swipe down from the top right side of your screen to get the control center, and here you have the toggle for screen recording. Press on it, it will start a 3-second countdown, which you can see right here, and then begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. That will also include any kind of apps that you will open. Now there might be a caveat, which I don't really know if that is the case here or not. But for instance, Netflix on Android tends to be blocked by the screen recorder. I haven't tested it out how it works right here. But in any case, once you're done, you can interact with the island and then select the square to stop. Now going back to what I was saying with the Netflix, at least on Android, there are apps that when you try to record them, they will just provide you with a black screen recording. It will record the sound but not the video or like image. So if you ever encounter such a thing on here, just know that whatever you are trying to record basically can stop the recording, or like stop the recorder from actually being able to see the screen more precisely. So there we go. Now, once you have finished the recording, you can find that recorder or recorded footage in your photos, and it's going to be either under library, or by going into the albums and scrolling all the way down, you can find an album called Screen Recordings, which might be a little bit easier, and for me it is right over here. You can tap on it to view the recording, so you can see it now being played back. Not much to it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.